Okay guys, so I've been asked for a little bit of help on how to do the fractions work in exercise 5.1s. So I'm going to start with the first couple of questions to show you a technique for doing it. So if we have a question such as 2/3 of, let's say, 27. Okay, so there are two techniques for, well, there's a couple of techniques actually which we can do. So if you're using a calculator, the way I would suggest doing it is 27 divided by 3, so that's your denominator, and then timesing that by 2. Okay, and that will get you your answer. Okay, so 27 divided by 3 is 9, times that by 2 and you get 18. Okay, so that is a method you can use with using a calculator, or if the numbers work out nicely. Now sometimes the numbers won't work out nicely at all, so let's have a look at 2/3 multiplied by, let's say, 10. Okay, so this isn't going to work out particularly nicely like the last question did. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the top number multiplied by this, so I'm going to have 2 times by 10 all over 3. So just multiply the two numbers on the top, which gets me 20 over 3. Okay, so there's 20 over 3. Now if I want to get that as a mixed number, I can do 20 divided by 3. 20 divided by 3, well, 3 goes into 18. Brain has frozen 6 times, so we've got 6 remainder 2. Okay, but we don't leave it as 6 remainder 2. That tells me that I've got 6 whole ones with 2/3 remaining. Okay, so that should be techniques you can use for all these questions. So if you have a question which you can use a calculator for, divide by the bottom number times by the top. You can flip that round, but obviously it's easier to divide by 3 than it is to times by 2 in this instance. And then if you haven't got one, you can do it like this.